Yes.
I'm having wine hiccups.
Oh, oof. That sounds painful.
You know those, right?
Oh, yeah.
Holy fuck, there's a lot of typing.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Are you good?
I'm having really bad hiccups right now.
Tell Nick to pat your back.
What do you guys scare me?
Oh, she's fucking gone.
No, I can't stop hiccuping.
Oof.
She's gonna yell at me again for fuck's sake. She good? Are you good? Nope. Never
Nope,
mind.
she's still going.
Have you seen her stream? She just... I can't.
I can't deal.
Are you
Yeah.
good? Drink some water.
I tried, but I can't drink water.
Oh my fucking god.
Hydrate.
I can't drink water if I'm laughing.
Why are you laughing? What?
And hiccuping.
Mm.
Oh my god. Alcohol hiccups are the fucking worst, bro. Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
Guys, it won't stop. Where's
I'm crying. Tell Nick to pat your
Water.
fucking back. Oh my god, I'm dead.
Water.
I'm trying
Holy shit.
You guys,
She gets going and listen.
I'm not doing this on purpose.
We're so mean.
We are. We're horrible people.
I'm not doing this on purpose. Just you, me. I hate hiccups. I hate sneezing. Anything that takes over the body. I can't do it.